Are you struggling to make money online because you think you need technical skills? Keep watching, because by the end of this video you'll know exactly how to start an online business with AI, even if you have zero experience. AI is making it easier than ever to start and grow a business, and I'm going to show you the exact steps to help you get started. So if you want a simple way to create an online income, make sure you stay tuned. Let's get into the video. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is to use AI to create and sell digital products. You don't need to be a designer or a writer. AI tools can create digital products for you in just minutes. I recommend using AI writing tools like ChatGPT or Jasper to generate ebooks, planners or templates that you can sell online. AI image generators like Midjourney can help you create unique art to sell on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. If you want to make online courses, AI can generate scripts, edit videos and even create the voiceovers for your content. One of the best things you can do is bundle multiple AI generated products to increase the value and make more sales. I suggest using AI driven keyword research tools to find profitable niches before you create your digital products. Don't forget to optimize your product listings with AI generated SEO descriptions for better visibility on platforms like Etsy or Amazon. You can use AI powered design tools like Canva or Adobe Firefly to enhance your product visuals and attract more buyers. If you struggle with the pricing, AI analytics tools can help you determine competitive pricing based on market trends. A smart way for you to scale this is by using AI chatbots for customer support, saving you time and increasing sales. To increase your chances of success, automate your marketing with AI email responders and social media schedulers. Remember, you don't need any tech skills, just let AI handle the heavy lifting while you focus on the selling. The key thing is to start with one product, test what works and then expand based on AI driven insights. If you're serious and want to dive deeper into online business and create online income streams, get instant access to my free training resources. Just click the link in the description below to start now. Let's jump back into the video. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is to use AI for freelancing services. If you want to make money online fast, AI can help you offer high demand services without needing any expert skills. I recommend using AI writing tools to provide blog writing, social media posts or even add copy services to clients. AI transcription tools like otter.ai can help you offer video or podcast transcription services with minimal effort. You can boost your income by using AI video editing tools like Descript to edit client videos in half the time. If you want to start a graphic design service, AI powered tools like Canva and DALL-E can generate professional designs for you. The thing you need to do is create a profile on Fiverr.com, Upwork.com or People Per Hour and list AI assisted services. Don't forget to showcase AI generated samples in your portfolio to attract more clients and stand out from your competitors. You can increase your chances of getting hired by using AI chatbots to respond to inquiries quickly and professionally. To make your workflow more smoother, AI tools like Grammarly can help you proofread and improve client documents. If you struggle finding clients, you can use AI-driven LinkedIn automation to network and reach potential customers. A smart way for you to charge higher rates is by combining multiple AI services into packages that add more value. To help you get repeat customers, set up AI-powered email marketing campaigns to keep your clients engaged. You are likely to see better results if you continually test and refine your services based on AI performance insights. Let's now move on to tip number 3, which is to use AI to automate affiliate marketing. You don't need a website or social media following. AI can help you build and automate your affiliate marketing business. I suggest that you use AI SEO tools to find low competition keywords and rank affiliate content on Google. AI content generators can help you write blog posts, reviews, and email sequences to drive traffic to affiliate links. If you want to create engaging social media content, AI can generate captions, hashtags, and even auto-schedule posts. A smart way for you to increase conversions is by using AI chatbots to engage visitors and recommend products. The thing you need to do is choose high converting affiliate programs on platforms like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. You can use AI powered video creation tools to turn blog posts into YouTube videos or Instagram Reels. To help you automate email marketing, AI can create personalized email sequences that nurture and convert leads. If you struggle with design, AI graphic tools can help you create professional looking Pinterest pins to generate traffic. To increase your earnings, AI A/B testing tools can help you find the best performing headlines and content. Don't forget to track your affiliate link performance with AI analytics tools to see what's working best. You are likely to see better results if you combine AI automation with organic and paid traffic strategies. To make your affiliate business more scalable, use AI powered funnels to guide visitors through the buying process. If you're committed to growing your online income, don't miss out on my free training resources. You can grab them right now by clicking the link in the description below. Now let's jump back into the video. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is to use AI to build and sell chatbots. You don't need coding skills. AI tools make it very easy to create chatbots that businesses will pay for. I recommend using platforms like Chatfuel, ManyChat, or Botsonic to build chatbots without writing any code. If you want to sell AI chatbots, focus on businesses that need 24/7 customer support like e-commerce stores. A smart way for you to attract clients is by offering a free trial chatbot and then upselling custom solutions. You can use AI powered lead generation tools to find businesses that need chatbot services. If your struggle is explaining chatbot benefits, AI can generate case studies and presentations for you. Don't forget to showcase chatbot success stories on a simple AI built landing page to build some credibility. The thing you need to do is price your chatbot services based on monthly subscriptions for recurring income. To make your chatbots much more valuable, integrate AI with CRM systems to help businesses manage their leads. You can boost your earnings by offering chatbot customization services such as voice AI or multilingual support. If you want to scale, use AI automation to handle chatbot deployment and updates for multiple clients. To help you stand out, you can offer AI-powered chatbots that book appointments, answer FAQs, or generate more leads. You are likely to see better results if you focus on one industry first and then expand as your chatbot skills improve. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is to create and sell AI-generated printables and designs. Printables and digital designs are a low-cost, high-profit business idea, and AI can help you create them with zero design skills. You can use Canva AI to generate stunning printables in minutes. Just enter a simple prompt and AI will design planners, journals and worksheets for you. If you want to sell colouring books or activity sheets, AI can create them for you. Midjourney and DALL-E can generate beautiful illustrations instantly. A smart way for you to make passive income is by selling printables on Etsy. People are always looking for budget planners, wedding templates and checklists. AI can generate quote posters and wall art that sell like crazy. You can create inspirational prints using AI powered text and image generators. You don't need to print or ship anything. Customers download the files, which means you make money with zero effort after listing them. To make your designs more unique, tweak AI generated content. Add personal touches so your products stand out from the competition. AI can help you write product descriptions that convert. Jasper AI can generate SEO friendly descriptions that attract buyers. If you struggle with the pricing, AI can analyze market trends for you. AI tools can help you find the best price points to maximize your sales. I suggest that you bundle related printables to increase sales. Offer a wedding planner bundle or business startup kit to boost the value. You can use AI to generate Pinterest pins and ads for free traffic. Pinterest is a goldmine for printables, and AI can automate your marketing. AI chatbots can handle customer inquiries for you. This saves you time while keeping buyers happy and highly engaged. Don't forget to use AI-powered SEO tools to rank your Etsy listings. Tools like Everbee suggest the best keywords to attract more sales. The key thing is to pick a niche with high demand. Budgeting, wedding planning, and kids activities are all proven bestsellers. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is to use AI to flip content for profit. Content flipping is a hidden gem. You take existing content, improve it with AI, and then resell it for instant profit. You can use ChatGPT to rewrite PLR, which is private label rights ebooks. Buy an inexpensive PLR book, enhance it with AI, and then sell it as your own. AI can turn old blog posts into fresh, high-ranking content. Just paste the text into an AI tool and it will rewrite it with updated keywords. A smart way for you to make money is by turning articles into YouTube scripts. AI can transform blog content into engaging video scripts that you can sell. If you want to profit from audio content, use AI to convert books into audiobooks. AI voice tools like Murph.ai can generate realistic narrations. You can use AI to repurpose TikTok videos into blog posts. Just transcribe a viral video, rewrite it, and post it as a blog article. AI can help you flip outdated Canva templates. You can buy underperforming templates, refresh them with AI, and then resell them at a higher price. To increase your profit, use AI-generated stock photos. AI tools like DALL-E and Runway generate stunning images that you can sell. I suggest that you use AI to translate and resell content in different languages. AI can convert ebooks, blog posts, and templates into multiple languages for new markets. A smart way for you to flip content is by turning transcripts into social media carousels. AI can extract key points and format them for Instagram posts. If you struggle with content ideas, AI can suggest trending topics. Tools like ChatGPT and BuzzSumo help you find high-demand niches instantly. AI can also generate ad copy to promote your flipped content. Jasper and Copy.ai can create Facebook and Google ads that drive traffic. Don't forget to automate content flipping with AI workflows. Use Zapier and automation tools to streamline your process and save time. The key thing is to add value to the content. AI helps you improve, personalize, and optimize content so it sells for higher profits. Let me now give you tip number 7, which is to build an AI-powered affiliate blog. No writing skills needed. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to make money online, and AI can help you build a profitable blog without writing a single word. You can use AI to generate high-quality blog posts in minutes. ChatGPT, Jasper AI, and Copy.ai can write entire articles for you based on simple prompts. A smart way for you to rank on Google is by using AI-powered SEO tools. Surfer SEO and Rank IQ help you find keywords that bring in free traffic. If you don't want to manage a website, use Medium or Substack. These platforms let you post AI-written articles and earn money through affiliate links. AI can create blog content that converts readers into buyers. Tools like Phrase optimize your articles for maximum engagement and sales. You can use AI to generate product comparisons and reviews. These types of posts rank well and help readers decide which product to buy. If you struggle with creating eye-catching images, AI can generate them for you. DALL-E, Midjourney, and Canva AI create professional images for blog posts. AI can automate internal linking. which helps boost your SEO. Link Whisper and other AI tools suggest related articles to keep visitors on your site for longer. I suggest that you focus on evergreen topics for long-term traffic. AI can analyze search trends to find content ideas that stay relevant for years. To further boost engagement, use AI to generate comments and responses. This helps build a loyal audience and encourages discussions on your blog. AI-powered chatbots can answer visitor questions 24/7. This makes your blog feel more interactive and increases trust with your audience. You don't need to spend hours promoting your blog. AI can automate it. Tools like Missing Letter generate and schedule social media posts for consistent traffic. Don't forget to use AI-driven email marketing to monetize your blog. ConvertKit and MailChimp AI can write high-converting emails that promote affiliate products. The key thing is to start small and scale up. AI helps you create content faster than ever, so you can grow your blog without spending hours writing. Let's now move on to tip number 8, which is to start an AI-powered social media management business. Businesses desperately need help with social media, and AI makes it easy for you to manage multiple accounts without spending hours creating content. You can use AI to generate high-quality social media posts in seconds. ChatGPT, Gemini, Jasper, and Copy.ai can write captions, tweets, and LinkedIn posts for you. AI-powered tools like Canva can create stunning graphics automatically. Just enter a good and simple prompt, and AI will design professional Instagram posts and stories. A smart way for you to attract clients is by offering AI-generated content plans. Businesses love pre-planned content calendars that save them time. AI can help you schedule posts and automate content publishing. Use tools like Buffer or Hootsuite AI to manage multiple clients effortlessly. If you struggle with engagement, AI chatbots can reply to DMs and comments. ManyChat and ChatGPT powered bots keep customers engaged 24/7. I suggest that you focus on niches like real estate agents or coaches. Specialized social media managers earn more because they offer targeted services. AI can generate viral content ideas based on trends. Use AI-powered tools like BuzzSumo and Exploding Topics to stay ahead of the competition. To help you increase your engagement, AI can analyze post performance. Tools like SocialBee use AI to tell you what's working and what to improve. AI can write LinkedIn thought leadership posts that attract business clients. Many professionals pay big money for well-crafted LinkedIn content. If you want to stand out, offer AI-powered video content creation. Pictory and InVideo use AI to turn text into professional videos for social media. Don't forget to use AI-generated hashtags to boost your reach. Tools like Hashtagify suggest the best high-traffic hashtags for Instagram and Twitter or X. AI-powered email marketing can help you sell social media services. Jasper AI can write cold emails that convince clients to hire you. The key thing is to leverage AI to offer more value. AI allows you to manage multiple social media accounts without spending hours creating content. Well, that's it for today. 8 powerful tips that you can start using right away. Now, if you're serious about building your online business and you want to create an online income, take the next step and click the link below in the description or in the comments. It will take you to my website where you can get instant access to some free training resources, which can help you get started right away to create online income streams. These resources will give you a step-by-step plan to help you create a successful online business and also to help you generate online income sources. Don't wait, take action right now and click that link below to start your journey. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It really does energize me and motivate me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And if you would like to connect with me on social media, you can find me on LinkedIn and Instagram. The links are in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel, and have a wonderful day.